What is torture and why is it prohibited? Have you ever wondered what torture really is and why it is so strongly condemned around the world? Torture is the intentional infliction of severe pain or suffering on a person. This can happen for various reasons, such as punishment, extracting information, or forcing someone to confess to a crime. The act of torture is not just about physical pain. It can also involve psychological suffering. From the perspective of socialism, torture is viewed as a serious violation of human rights and dignity. Socialism places a strong emphasis on equality and the protection of human rights. Therefore, the prohibition of torture is a fundamental concern within this framework. The definition of torture often highlights the severity of the suffering and the intent behind it. Legal systems around the world differentiate torture from cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment by its severity and purpose. This distinction is important because it helps to clarify what constitutes torture and why it is unacceptable. The prohibition of torture is firmly rooted in international law and human rights principles. The United Nations Convention Against Torture and Other Cruel, Inhuman, or Degrading Treatment or Punishment is a key document that defines and prohibits torture. This convention makes it clear that torture is never justified, no matter the circumstances. From a socialist viewpoint, this prohibition aligns with the principle of protecting human dignity and ensuring that everyone is treated with respect. In the context of social justice, the prohibition of torture is vital for maintaining a fair and just society. Socialism aims to eliminate exploitation and guarantee equal rights and opportunities for all individuals. Torture undermines these goals by subjecting people to inhumane treatment, often based on power imbalances or political oppression. By banning torture, societies can work toward creating a more just environment where human rights are upheld. To put this into practice, the prohibition of torture requires strong legal frameworks and institutions that prevent and punish such acts. This includes laws that clearly define torture and impose severe penalties on those who commit it. Additionally, independent oversight bodies and human rights organizations play a crucial role in monitoring and reporting instances of torture. From a socialist perspective, these measures are essential to ensure that power is not abused and that all individuals are treated with dignity. In summary, torture is prohibited because it violates fundamental human rights and dignity. These principles are central to socialism and social justice. By understanding and addressing torture, societies can strive to create a more equitable and just world.